What's up guys, it's Andrew here from Pennant Players back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about sympathy plays and how to use them in your stock trading. So without further ado, let's get into it. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more. So what is a sympathy play? Well, a sympathy play is essentially riding the tail of a big jump in some sort of sector, some sort of stock, some sort of equity. So we're going to want to see here the jump of another equity based on the previous jump of an equity that's related. So a great example here that's happened in the past few days has been KODK. Now, as you may know, Bitcoin took a large jump within the past few days, past week, past 2 weeks, up beyond 10K, which was a marker that a lot of people used in their trading, 10K for Bitcoin. So beyond that, it's been gaining a lot of attention as well. So what we're going to want to see with these sympathy plays is to, buy in to the stocks or equities that are surrounding that first previous jump. So with Bitcoin, KODK was within that industry. It had a lot to do with, blockchain, cryptocurrency, stuff like that. So after this massive jump in Bitcoin, the next day, we could have gotten in here at $2.92 and watched it ride the tail of Bitcoin to a potentially 300% profit. In addition to KODK, we can see the exact same thing with Riot, IROT. Now, again, this was the same off the Bitcoin pump. There was a lot of people, a lot of hype surrounding Bitcoin. So obviously, the other sectors and other stocks within that sector that pertain to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are going to take a jump following that. So something here with Riot was we could have gotten in here at $2.30, and watched it ride the tail of that Bitcoin jump, because this is a company pertaining to blockchain, which is closely related with Bitcoin for a almost 40% profit. So that's a brief overview of how to do a sympathy play. Again, just a quick overview. It's a simple concept to buy in to the hype and to the big jump of another company that has already, or equity that has already taken that jump, to then buy into an equity surrounding it that has to do with it, to watch that rise up following it. So please be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more. This is Andrew from Pennant Players. Stay green, guys.